Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone overheating issue on iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue overheating on iPhone after iOS 17 update. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have first solution, you have force restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted, and then your mobile is restart. Hopefully your mobile is overheating issue fix. If there are first solution is not working, their second solution, you have update the app from App Store. So then you have open the App Store. So you have click on App Store ID icon. So then you have scroll up, then you have click on update all app from here, and then second solution is not working. Their third solution, you have disable location service. Open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on privacy, click on location service. So you have disabled, I have already disabled. And then third solution is not working. Their fourth solution, you have clear the iPhone storage. So then you have click on setting, click on general again. So click on iPhone storage. So you have delete from all memories on your iPhone. Then fourth solution is not working. Their fifth solution, you have reset all settings. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting iPhone, given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode, and then 10 to 20 seconds wait and reset all setting, and your problem will be fixed. If there are fifth solution is not working, there sixth solution and last solution, you have update iOS latest version and fix the iOS 17 overheating. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.